G'day, Steve Walters from Walters Fencing. Today, quick little video for you to show you our new product, a post puller, or maybe it's a post lifter. If you want to vote on what we should call it, just leave your comments down below. Over to you now, Don.
Good morning! This is our latest product, Walters Post Lifter. It's been something that we've worked on and off on for a considerable period of time. From originally making our own that folded up nice and compact, which was one of our major design criteria. Our first ones from about 20 years ago folded nice and compact, but their grabbing technique wasn't terribly good. We sort of played with it on and off, but we sort of got a bit more serious about it earlier this year, and so here it is. This is our first sort of working prototype. We started off with our universal post grab, trying to direct it into another product. Its advantages were that being on a chain, you could adjust the height at which you could hook onto the post. So that was our concept. We also had a two-position setting, so that's this, where you could have a lot of leverage, or you could change it out to having a lot of lift. Initial testing showed that that was a useless feature. It just added bulk to it and weight. The other thing you'll notice is it's a lot higher. It was heavier, or too heavy, too bulky and awkward to carry and not very nice to use. Foot plate was too small, so that led us to go back to the drawing board. And that brought us to prototype number 2. See that the foot plate was increased. We still maintained the two-position mechanical advantage with a bulky handle, but it's shorter, so it was a bit easier to carry, a bit more comfortable. It was still a bit heavy, and this is the first introduction of the counter-rotating plates. This worked, and it grabbed the posts really well and lifted them, but it is ungainly. It meant that you had to push this or put your foot on if it was a dirty post. There was disadvantages to it, so we sat down and worked on ways to reduce that level of welding to make things easier to manufacture, less complicated, and hopefully end up with a better product. Some of the improvements we made was some pretty simple things, adding holes to the foot plate so that if it's really soft ground, they can screw a board to the bottom of it. The notch in the front to get the post in as close as possible, and the cutout in the back for the handle to go into so that it can't close down and crush your fingers. The jaws are made out of Bisloi, so the handle pivots on two cartridge bearings. So we went with a link arm, which improved it a lot. We changed it so we could get rid of the RHS and the fabrication to utilise a jaw that goes around the mast, and means that we make all that unit more compact and therefore smaller and stronger. So yeah, the handle reduced in size so it was easier to grab and made the unit lighter as well. So in the end, we're really happy with the product. Max used it for several months in the field, worked out a few of the teething issues we had, and yeah, it was really good feedback. For us, it would be the best on the market, but I guess that's up to you as well. Maybe you should write, I don't know, a storyboard so I know what to say to make you happy.
So that was the Walters Fencing post puller / post lifter. This one was the one Don was referring to. 20 years ago we made this little bad boy. It's awesome, except the jaws keep slipping. Jams your fingers. But other than that, it was a fantastic bit of kit. We like to take our time. We like to make things right. Like this old guy. See ya.